Viral news. Good night, my people. Good night, good night. Hope you guys had a wonderful Saturday. Bless upon yourself as usual, my viewers and subscribers. Now I kick it off like this way. 2 Jamaican national was cornered up in Bronx, New York. Jaja, my viewers, these 2 gentlemen you see on your screen right about now. The man them get cornered up, them did not make it none at all, my viewers. I mean, no say. You have reality of Jamaica right about now as I speak. I cry. My people, the pace now run right. With the yard of abroad, the world, the level right about now. The gun and a play thing, my viewers and subscribers. Don't take it for a joke thing. Youths and youths, I always telling this, put it down. Why it have to be a Jamaican? Everywhere we go, we carry violence with we. You see me? Not all of we know, but majority of we. Go over there and you have the dirty life of crime out here, my people, and you go in America with the same mentality. 2 Jamaican nationals have lost their lives following a deadly shooting in the Bronx, New York on Thursday night. Reports indicate that the men were among victims found suffering from gunshot wounds near a subway station before being pronounced dead at hospital. The incident has left relatives and members of the Jamaican community in mourning as investigators work to determine a motive and identify those responsible. The NYPD says the investigation remains active and no arrest has been announced. The people, I'm not joking this. A serious thing this. Yes, man. Serious business this. Me as I want youth, them say youth. This is a way they must live in a youth. You see me? Man and man have them differences from Jamaica. And the man them can't go and find my people. Why you think sometimes you say 1 and 2 Jamaica get slapped over there? Man and man have them private man run go over America. Go hide out. You see me? A man get intel say, yo, man there so. Man come base, can't pan him. That's what kind of country are you right about now. You see me? But it's like something definitely wrong with them youth nowadays, no one thing. Them not turn from the life of crime. Them not pick up a Bible and read. Everything violence. Every man want to be top man. Every man want to be the Dan or the Dan best friend. Nobody no want to say, yo, cause that dinner man, peace the man. You see me? Everybody want war. At the wrong way this now move get a youth. At the wrong way to choose. Be more smarter. Be more proactive youths and youths. The gun is relevant right about now. Go get a skill. Enjoy life. You see me? We are going to move on now, people. We are going to St. Elizabeth, where a man was fatally cornered up by the police. Down at St. Elizabeth, my viewers and subscribers. A man was fatally cornered up in... Let me go again, people. A man was fatally shot and the firearm seized during an alleged confrontation with the police following an operation in Triton, St. Elizabeth last evening. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Gerard Ferguson, otherwise called Dwayne or Tata, a resident of Casa Road in Triton. Reports are that about 9:45 p.m. police carried out a targeted raid in the area. Ferguson reported ran inside the house on the approach of the police and refused to open the door. The police then breached the door and observed Ferguson holding a firearm. Reports are that Ferguson was instructed to drop the weapon, but he refused. People, listen to this. Ferguson was instructed to drop the weapon, but he refused and pointed it towards the lawman. You hear that, people? The cops took evasive action and opened fire, hitting Ferguson. The wounded man was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. One pistol containing 5 rounds of ammunition was reportedly seized. Viewers and subscribers, only be the judge pan that, you know. We want only be the judge pan that. Because we know how them police are staying on people. Everything them say a shootout, you know. Or them say man a pint gun pan them in the people. I'm not joking this. A regular me see them thing here. A regular police do them thing here and say boy, them sorry. You see me? Yeah man. Police love plant gun pan youth and say gun youth involved in things. Me nah say the brother involved in things that people. It's a possibility in about them police that tell too much lie. And them story not add up. Them story as a sound the same viewers and subscribers. And that not look right. That's my issue. Yeah? Them story not sound like it fully put together. You see me? But my people, I saw it go. We're going to move on now. We're going to talk about dancer artists, Fippa Mafia. Because right now, my people, Fippa Mafia is seeking bail on his drug-related case. You see me? Him one of the artists, them, I'm saying, slash, flosser, now learn. Dance anything of Fippa Mafia has formally applied for bail in his latest drug case in the United States of America. According to reports, his attorney has asked the court to grant his release under strict conditions, including electronic monitoring and residence with his son in Philadelphia. The defense argued that Fippa Mafia is not a flight risk. Has lived in the USA for more than 25 years and played a peripheral, non-violent role in an alleged conspiracy. The judge is expected to consider the application as the case progresses. You see me? Now you, Fippa Mafia, where you shot days right about now and make some money and I enjoy life. You know, get yourself involved with some crazy amount of thing, my people. You see me? That man get himself involved in all kind of wrongs, my viewers and my subscribers. All because of what? I swear, it get rough. Pan the ghetto youth, them in 1 year. You see me? I remember Fippa Mafia that ghetto youth too. That's what I'm telling you, say, yo, get to bring the best people and the worst. I swear, the people. But we're going to move on now, my viewers and subscribers. We're going to move on for a World Cup incident where somebody lose them 3 pints, my viewers. Somebody lose them 3 pints. Jaja, an alleged dispute over knives during a World Cup football match is being alleged to have escalated in a fatal stabbing involving relative in St. Catherine on Wednesday night. There is 23-year-old Lamar Mullins, an unemployed man of Bowie Road in Yorkton, St. Catherine. You see me? Yeah, man. People, a serious thing this. And it's alleged say, World Cup go on my people. Man and man at them TV, well buck. A man tell man turn on TV, a man now 1 year. Some man decide for juke up, man. You see me? Them youth are ignorant nowadays, don't the people. Them man them dark, illiterate, can't read and write. Now we're going to move on. We're going to talk about a man there called Lobster, my people. Lobster get caught up. Yeah, by the police, them down there, so. As you can look at the Lobster and my people, what you see that, man? Rum and boom, you know. Yeah, man. Rum and boom are sitting like that. And rum and campfire, my people. Jaja, Lobster drink and a flask. Him last sip of liquor. Because the police them dash him a brawling. Yeah, man. The police them dash him a brawling, my people. And a joke in this youth, but this not pay. But this not getting nowhere youth. Yeah, man. All I wanna talk about wanna buy rich or big house and rich car and everything. Wanna end up in a body bag if we not stop doing all the youth and youth. And that's what me have to tell you say. Because no found of family that try to help on, you know. But no, we don't want to help. We have a big brain and can say, yeah man, me get it. You see me? I mean, I never, the people, police in Manchester say a man was fatally shot during an alleged confrontation and close to New Forest in southern parts of the parish on Thursday morning. He has so far only named by his alias Lobster. You see me, Lobster, my people. Lodger. The reports confrontation during an target operation raid in Bentown. Police say they went to a house in the wee hour to conduct a search. They said they were confronted by a man who was armed with a firearm. Police say a 9mm pistol was seized after the alleged confrontation. On Monday, head of the Police Area 3 Assistant Commissioner of Police Christopher Phillips announced the launch of Operation Resist targeting criminal activity and players in Manchester, Clarendon and St. Elizabeth. Channel Star, youths and youths, put on the gun. Now, this brother, my people, we sit on the screen right about now. That brother here, get himself some serious problem. You see me? Now, this was a brother who was seen in the viral video on social media where he looked down the woman, my people, the car down, and she did not make it, my people. You see me? This man was driving without no driver's license, now no insurance, my people, and a joke in this. You see me? Serious thing. Yeah, man. The police have charged the driver of the motor car that reportedly got out of control and struck a 62-year-old in Ocheray, St. Anne, Saturday. Rodney Thompson, 27, of Geddestown in St. Mary, was charged on Thursday with causing death and dangerous driving, operating a vehicle without a driver's license. You see me? And driving a vehicle without insurance coverage. Jesus, peace, my viewers and subscribers. We're going to move on now. We're going to talk about a decomposed body that was found in Mandeville, my people. From what they know, they might find be a body, my viewers and subscribers, I swear. Yeah, man. So preliminary report are that about 8 a.m. passers-by stumbled on the decomposed body and alerted the police, who subsequently arrived at the scene at 8:17. Yeah, man, people are serious thing I go on in Jamaica, yeah, man, and thing, man. Yeah, man, somebody have something, the man might comfy and dirty and throw in a body bag. And a joke thing this, my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man. Ain't no joke thing, youths and youths. Be smart, have sense, wise up. Wise up. Don't give any 3 pints. Yeah, man, don't give any freedom, brother. You see me? Now we're going to talk about 2 Jamaica farmers who lose them 3 pints in Canada while traveling. So sad, my viewers and my subscribers. So let me say, 2 Jamaican farmers lose them 3 pints in Canada. I swear. 2 Jamaican farm workers traveled together. Rupert Bell and David Lindsay died in a traffic crash in Canada about 5 a.m. on Thursday. 5 p.m. on Thursday. The death of these 2 workers is a painful reminder of the sacrifice many Jamaicans make to provide for their family. Today, you see me? Yeah, man. Today two families have lost loved ones. Communities have lost valued members. And our country has lost two hardworking citizens, said Minister for Labour and Social Security, Pernell Charles Jr., who expressed profound sadness. You see me? My viewers, I swear, R.I.P. to them family members, you know. R.I.P. my people, I swear to God, I be my people, so just have an eye out, my viewers and subscribers. Have an eye out and be safe on the journey. We did the yard and broad, my people. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Gone now. You see me? Yeah, man.